Hilti's second-generation vacuum solutions VC150-6 and VC150-10 have been enhanced to help optimize productivity and bring you more mobility and higher performance. They are the most compact and lightweight vacuums in their category. The big wheels and push bar of the VC150-10 and the shoulder strap of the VC150-6 allow for better ease of use and mobility. The new adaptive automatic filter cleaning function helps you assess the status and performance of the vacuum. With clarity on filter status, maintenance becomes so much easier. The VC150-10 has high-volume flow rate of 156 CFM, making it OSHA 1926-1153 Table 1 compliant. The Hilti VC150 vacuums are backed by our industry-leading 22-1 service warranty and can be added to Hilti Tool Fleet Management. We're here to help you. Visit our website or contact us for more information.